So hey guys, today we have with us Fifine K669B microphone, and we are gonna see how you can detach that mic from your tripod stand and attach it to your arm mic stand. So as you can see, I have attached my arm mic stand to the table, and now we are gonna see how you can detach your microphone and attach it to the arm mic stand. So let's begin this process. So first of all, we need to detach the mic from the tripod stand, and to do that we have to loose the ring that is under the mic. As you can see, you have to rotate it and remove the ring. So I have removed the ring now. Next we have to detach the stand and carefully remove the wire out of the stand. So now the next thing that we need to do is, you can see I have removed the stand. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to get this attachment out of the stand. So we just have to rotate the stand. Just keep rotating it. So once you get the attachment, you can keep the stand aside. So now we have the attachment with us. Check this. So now the next thing that we need to do is we have to attach this attachment to the arm mic stand. So we just have to place it on top of that and rotate it. If you are unable to do it, like you can see in this case, we are unable to attach it. It is far too loose for that mic stand. So you need to check the mic box and you need to find this attachment. So you must have gotten this attachment with your mic. As you can see, you have this small attachment. With the help of this, you will be able to attach your mic. So I'll show you how to do it. You just have to take this small attachment and you'll have to place it on top of that mic and rotate it. So in some cases guys, the attachment that I was talking about might be already attached into this small attachment of your mic. As you can see, you'll just have to rotate that part and remove this attachment from it. You just have to keep rotating it and you'll get it. So once you get that attachment, you have to place it on top of your arm mic stand and rotate it like this. So once you have attached the attachment correctly, the next thing that we need to do is you need to take this attachment and you'll have to place it on top of that and keep rotating it until it gets placed properly. So you just have to keep rotating it. So after doing that, the next thing that you need to do is take the wire from the USB adapter point and put it inside that. Just make sure that the wire is completely through that circular point. So as you can see, we have placed the microphone on that. So as you can see, the mic is currently very loose. So to fix that, what you need to do is, you can see these attachments on this mic. You just have to rotate them and make sure that the mic is firmly attached. As you can see, you have the knobs. You have to rotate them and make sure that it is correctly and firmly attached to the mic. It is better than before. Now the next thing that we need to do is, you have to take this small circular ring and place it like this. Just take it upside and you have to keep rotating it. So once you rotate it properly, it will get firmly attached and it will look like this. It is now correctly attached. So this is how your mic is going to look after you have properly attached it to the mic stand. It is correctly attached and you can use it now. Won't face any issues. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, and if you want more such videos, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Thank you and bye bye.